Welcome to this beautiful village in Talegaon, which is situated in Sailabad, and it's called Hanuman Nagar. If you can see, such a beautiful village, beautiful straight through, right through the forest, and we've come here. Around 25 families residing around over here, lovely people to talk to, and this is Talegaon. But here I would like to talk about the issues that they are facing. If you can see this well over here, they do not have PWD water connection. You can see all pipes are connected here. All these families pump water into their houses and they face difficulty for the last 15 years. You can see for yourself, I don't have anything much to say. During the rains, it was very risky when we were coming down, and the school pathway is in a damaged condition. Let me take you around. This whole stretch right up till you go up, there are 6 to 7 street lights which were not working. We got them fixed. They have been repeatedly telling their punch members as well as their serpent to come and get it fixed, because if you can see, it's a little bit of a forest. There are snakes around over here, and children can get attacked. But nothing was done till we intervened. We had to call up the higher departments in the electricity and get it fixed. It's not tedious, but it's citizens who have come down now and we're getting things done. Beautiful village, but basic facilities are not given. Proper walking path, water connection and light. Basic needs. You can see, water is the most important thing. CM says 16,000 liters of free water supply should be given to families. Here people do not have PWD water connection. In this 2021, 15 years they have been suffering. So this is for our MLA also to see, even for the public who have not come into this beautiful village in Talegaon. This is how people are residing, and I have gone into the roots, getting you all to see the reality of Talegaon. The locals have just told me that this street light which I had got fixed a month ago just worked for 2 days, and this has not been operational. Now let's check and see whether if there's a pole number. This way down there, just check. If you can see, you all can see it from there, but there is no pole number mentioned over here. So clicking a picture and telling them that this particular street light is not working, there's no number. There's no number in the other poles on top also when we just did a survey. So this is how people are living. No street light, right in the middle of the forest.